Welcome to the Fitness Marks, where your wellness for life matters. This is your 4-week whole-body fitness challenge. Mark your guides. Your progress bar is right on top. At the center left is your reps per workout, beginner to advanced. To the right is your timer, and below it, the next workout. Remember, there will be 15 seconds rest for every workout. Ready to go. The next, 20 seconds, jumping jacks. This move gets your heart rate up and warms the whole body. "15 seconds rest. The next, incline push ups. Keep your core tight and body straight to target the upper chest. "15 seconds rest. The next, knee push-ups. A great way to build strength with less strain on the shoulders. "15 seconds rest. The next, push-ups. Lower your chest with control and keep your elbows at a natural angle. "15 seconds rest. The next, wide arm push-ups. Widen your stance slightly to place more tension on the chest. "15 seconds rest. The next, incline push-ups. Focus on driving through your palms and maintaining full body tension. "15 seconds rest. The next, knee push-ups. Keep your neck neutral and breathe with the movement. "15 seconds rest. The next, push ups. Engage your core. Keep the movement steady from top to bottom. "15 seconds rest. The next, wide arm push-ups. Don't let your elbows flare out too wide. Keep it controlled. "15 seconds rest. The next, 20 seconds, Cobra Stretch. This stretch opens the front of your body and relieves tension in your lower back. "15 seconds rest. The next, 20 seconds, chest stretch. Hold steady and breathe deeply to feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Awesome! Congratulations for showing up today. Comment and tell us how you feel, then subscribe, and I'll see you in the next fitness session.